Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, we'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, kind of like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now next thing, once you have one of those, you want to take off the case off your phone, if you have one. Locate the tray, which is at the bottom for this device. You can see right here, it's nicely damaged already. You'll see two different pins. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here. So, like this. Then push the pin in. You'll see that the tray pops out. Enough for you to pull it out using your fingernail. Now, on the tray, you actually have space just for two different SIM cards, so unfortunately no SD card support. So I'm gonna utilize just one of the trays. You can place your card on either one of them. It doesn't really matter which one you select, or obviously you can utilize both of them at the same time. From there, insert the tray back into your device, and the card, SIM card more precisely, should start working almost right away. So it looks like it already found reception. Now in a second I probably will get a message. Let's see. I was expecting that it's going to show me some LTE, but it has reception already, so I guess it doesn't really matter. So anyway, that is how you insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.